Here's a perfect musical metaphor or analogy where jazz musician explores the dissonance in sound.
And what I find intriguing with music and art is there's a lot of relationship, because in art you have composition. Art is composition, it's self-explanatory.
Brain the transition from the alpha or the
miscellaneous aspect of mental disorder, where we're going to take a number of different variables or variances into consideration.
The augmentation of one's ambition. So, and you have neuro-linguistic programming.
Sure.
Well, NLP. Of the subsets: phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax, semantics, and pragmatics.
Mental disorders, primarily bipolar, specifically.
Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Persuasion.